So this is a generic table, and this is probably the most used feature in MagicDraw, in my opinion. It's where you can pull information out from a model very efficiently and then export it to Excel if you so choose. There's an export button available here. You can synchronize with Excel and CSVs. The generic table is an awesome gateway to model power. And so in this case, you'll see this displaying all the stereotypes that we've created. So notice there's an element type is set here. It's set to stereotype. You could come in and choose multiple element types if you wished, or you can drag and drop from the containment tree, and that will set the element type. Again, remember, drag and drop works almost everywhere. So when in doubt, drag and drop. The scope for this was set to stereotypes, which is this package in the containment tree under the hypermodeling profile. You also could come in and manually select it using the 3 dots. And notice this little XY symbol here. If we use that, that basically lets us build queries for tables, and we'll explore that more in a later video. So for now, we've just dragged in stereotypes, and notice we can see all of this information about our stereotypes. Notice a few are missing documentation. We could go in and edit that right here and fix that. We also can pick the columns that are visible. So here under Show Columns, you'll see this is basically showing the name and documentation. I can come in here, and let's say I want to see the meta class. So I can type that meta and get meta class. Clear that. I could see the icon if I wanted. There's just a whole host of information. This is all information available to us here in the Select Columns window. So there's a lot of things you can find right here. Let's say I want to see if there's any to-dos available for that. And so that's already checked true. So I just need to make it visible and display it. So I'll come here and turn the to-do on, and there's no to-dos related to these stereotypes. You can also drag and drop to change the column order. So I'm going to put the to-do all the way at the end. We'll put the name first. So you can drag and drop reorder. You can click and sort, whatever you want. So the generic table basically acts a lot like Excel if you're so interested. There's also the ability to find in this table. So let's say I wanted to find the word capability. There's 2 matches. Notice that it displays that. So here's the first one, and then they're both here in this line. There's also, it has a direct gateway to the more complex find available as well. And notice that we also have the ability to add legends here. So I can create a legend and begin spelling out colors and other things that I could apply. We won't do that now, but again, these are buttons available to us here in the generic table. So again, extremely useful generic diagram that you'll want to make use of a lot.